The world's most luxurious trains you've never heard of. Think luxury travel is only about private jets and yachts. Think again. There's a world of lavish transportation rolling on steel rails, through breathtaking landscapes, timeless cities, and untouched countryside. We're talking about the most luxurious trains you've never heard of. These hidden gems redefine train travel with 5-star service, gourmet dining, and suites that rival luxury hotels. In this video, we're diving into the secret world of elite rail journeys that are quietly catering to royalty, celebrities, and the ultra-rich. 1. The Maharajas Express, India. Often called the Palace on Wheels, the Maharajas Express is India's answer to a luxury cruise on tracks. This opulent train travels through the heart of India, covering iconic cities like Delhi, Agra, Jaipur, and Varanasi. Inside, you'll find cabins decorated with rich silks, polished wood, and antique-style furnishings. Each suite has personal butlers, and the presidential suite spans an entire carriage. The train also includes 2 fine dining restaurants, a bar stocked with top-shelf liquors, and even a lounge car where live traditional music plays. 2. The Golden Eagle Trans-Siberian Express, Russia. Stretching over 6,000 miles across Russia, the Golden Eagle is not just a journey, it's an experience of extremes. From Moscow to Vladivostok, passengers crossed 8 time zones while enjoying marble bathrooms, heated floors, king-sized beds, and even Russian-language classes on board. The Imperial Suite is pure indulgence, with its own private living area, personal guide, and complimentary laundry and drinks. Along the way, passengers are treated to breathtaking views of Lake Baikal, the Ural Mountains, and endless Siberian forests. 3. The Belmond Andean Explorer, Peru. High in the Andes Mountains, the Belmond Andean Explorer offers one of the most scenic and luxurious rail experiences in the world. Traveling between Cusco and Arequipa, this train brings you close to the magic of Machu Picchu and Lake Titicaca, all while pampered in total comfort. The decor is bright and airy, inspired by traditional Peruvian textiles. Think cozy cabins with alpaca wool blankets, a full spa car, and a piano lounge with panoramic windows. The gourmet menu includes locally sourced dishes prepared by top Peruvian chefs. 4. The Rovos Rail, South Africa. Described as the most luxurious train in the world, Rovos Rail takes passengers through Africa's wild beauty in unmatched style. Whether it's the journey from Cape Town to Dar es Salaam or the shorter Victoria Falls trip, guests travel in Edwardian elegance. The train features wood-paneled carriages, antique fixtures, and no Wi-Fi, encouraging guests to disconnect and immerse themselves in the experience. Suites include double beds, full en-suite bathrooms, and 24-hour room service. Wildlife sightings and off-train safaris add a thrilling twist. 5. The Royal Scotsman, Scotland. Run by Belmond, the Royal Scotsman is a luxury train winding through Scotland's dramatic highlands, castles, and lochs. On board, passengers enjoy Michelin-level dining, private suites with fine linens, and even a spa car where you can get a massage while passing lush landscapes. Think whiskey tastings, fine cigars, and tartan-clad staff offering high tea as bagpipes play in the distance. It's an authentic Scottish experience, done in the most glamorous way imaginable. 6. The Eastern and Oriental Express, Southeast Asia. Also operated by Belmond, the Eastern and Oriental Express glides between Bangkok and Singapore through lush jungles, rice paddies, and rural villages. The design is colonial elegance with dark teak wood, silk upholstery, and intricate Asian motifs. Guests can sip cocktails in the open-air observation car, enjoy multi-course meals in Art Deco dining cars, or relax in luxurious sleeping cabins. Cultural excursions, like temple visits and local markets, are all part of the adventure. 7. Train Suite Shikishima, Japan. Japan takes luxury rail to futuristic levels with the Train Suite Shikishima. With its sleek, spaceship-like design and panoramic glass lounges, this train looks like it came from the future, but the interior is pure comfort, featuring traditional Japanese decor, private tatami rooms, and cypress wood bathtubs. It runs through scenic regions of eastern Japan, combining ancient culture with state-of-the-art technology. The food, sourced from local Michelin-starred chefs, is an experience in itself. 8. The Gun, Australia. Crossing the heart of Australia from Darwin to Adelaide, the Gun is a bold, beautiful train named after Afghan camel drivers who once helped explore the outback. On board, guests enjoy fine cuisine, rich storytelling, and stunning views of red deserts, rocky canyons, and native wildlife. Platinum service suites include full-sized beds, a private lounge, and gourmet meals served with local wines. Off-train excursions include everything from crocodile spotting to outback dining under the stars. 9. The Deccan Odyssey, India. Another Indian marvel, the Deccan Odyssey mirrors the glory of India's royal past. With journeys like the Indian Odyssey or Jewels of the Deccan, the train explores heritage sites, palaces, and temples across the country. The interiors are regal, with luxurious linens, en-suite bathrooms, and personalized service. Guests enjoy cultural programs, spa treatments, and guided tours at each stop. It's a royal ride through one of the world's most colorful cultures. 10. Al-Andalus, Spain. Blending Spanish charm with Belle Epoque luxury, Al-Andalus explores the vibrant south of Spain. From Seville to Granada and beyond, this train brings you close to flamenco, Moorish palaces, and Mediterranean coastlines, all while you relax in 1920-style elegance. Spacious suites, exquisite cuisine, and stops at UNESCO World Heritage Sites make this an unforgettable cultural and luxurious adventure. Luxury doesn't always have to fly. Sometimes it glides silently through remote landscapes, vintage charm, and timeless beauty. On wheels, these secret luxury trains offer a slower, richer way to travel, where the journey itself becomes the destination. Whether you're sipping champagne in the Andes or bathing in a Japanese cypress tub, these trains prove that rail travel can be the most glamorous way to see the world. If you were amazed by these hidden gems of luxury travel, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss more incredible journeys into the elite lifestyle. Which train would you love to ride first? Let us know in the comments, and stay tuned for more videos that take you behind the velvet curtain of the world's most luxurious experiences.